Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. In the first step, we need to open run. So you can press Windows key plus R key together to open run. Another way is to open run is simply right click on the start icon and select run. Once we are here, we need to press WT and we need to press Control Shift and enter together at the same time. So Control Shift and enter. So it will pop up a new window, select S, and once we are here, so this is Windows PowerShell with the administrative privileges. So just we need to focus on this window. We will execute some commands and simply hit enter to execute them. So type in dism.exe space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash scan health and hit enter. So this command will take some time to complete the process. We need to wait for it. Once done, type in dism.exe space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health and hit enter. So this command will also take some time to complete the process. Again, we need to wait for it and then we will move to the last command. So if you get this error, so no problem, but still you need to execute this command. Maybe in your system it can execute correctly. So we will move to the next command, that will be dism.exe space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash start component cleanup and hit enter. Once done, type exit and simply restart your system and your problem will be solved for sure. That's it guys. Don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.